This is Omega and welcome to Money Mondays. In today's topic, what I want to talk to you about is what tools do you need to become an investor in the stock market? It's quite simple. They're just basically 4 or 3 tools that I'd say you should have, and it's not going to be a big problem if you don't have all of them, but it's recommended that you do have all of them. So let's get right into it. The first tool that you need is a laptop or a computer. Whether it's a desktop computer that's at home or a laptop, preferably a laptop because it's mobile, that's the first thing that you need. The laptop is going to be your gateway to accessing every other tool that I'm going to be speaking about. So I don't need to explain that one. You guys know what a laptop is. The second thing that you're going to need is a brokerage account. There are many global brokers and local brokers in South Africa. Just make sure that they are properly regulated. If it's a local broker, it should be registered with the Johannesburg Stock Exchange as a broker. That way you know that you're getting market access from a regulated entity and your money is safe. And then from your brokerage accounts, that's where you'll be able to buy all the assets that you can think of buying, whether it's stocks, ETFs, bonds, whatever it is that you want. The third tool that you need is a charting tool. Charting tools enable you to do something called technical analysis, which is really just looking at historical prices of assets within the market. It also enables you to be able to sort of see how other market participants are behaving. On your screen right now, you should be seeing TradingView. That's the tool that I use. And it's quite a decent tool, very powerful for doing a lot of data analysis, especially in financial assets. The last tool that you need is obviously some sort of internet browser that will enable you to do research via Google or through particular websites. My favorite website for research is the IMF, which is the International Monetary Fund, the World Bank, Stats SA for South African related data. That's actually quite helpful. You can also look at stuff from the UN, so that way you can sort of see what themes are going on around in the world, whether it's political themes or economic themes. The UN website is actually quite good. The UN, by the way, that's the United Nations. And then you can look at data from the World Economic Forum. They also have quite a number of research journals and articles that they release on a monthly, sometimes even daily basis. So that's where I'd say look at your macroeconomic data. And then specifically for the assets themselves, you're obviously going to need an internet browser to access company data. So that would be downloading company reports, financial statements, and whatever else that you feel or think that you need to be able to do research. So that's pretty much it. Those are all the tools that you need. Not a lot of fancy gizmos, no 1,000 screens, no 5 screens, 2 screens. It's just one screen, which is a laptop that will enable you to access your broker so you can press buy or sell. And then your laptop will obviously have some sort of data analysis tool. And then that way you can be able to track what other market participants are doing. And then your laptop will have internet and will have a web browser that allows you to access various information from different sources. So that's it for today. If you like the information that you heard, then you can simply subscribe on YouTube, or you can follow if you're watching this from Instagram TV. Thank you. Goodbye.